In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace yard sale pages. We'll walk through the exact taps you need to make in the Facebook app and share a few quick tips to help your listing stand out. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to sell from. From the home screen, look for the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. It's usually in the upper right corner on Android and may appear in the bottom right on some iPhones. Tap it to open the menu. In the menu, tap Marketplace. This takes you into Facebook's Buy and Sell section. If it asks for location permission, allow it so your listing shows to nearby buyers. Once you're in Marketplace, go to the Selling tab. This is where all your active, pending, and sold items will appear. Tap Create Listing to start a new post. Next, choose Item. This option is perfect for yard sale style posts where you're selling a single product or a small group of items. You'll now see the listing form. Enter your details clearly. Add bright, well-lit photos from multiple angles, then type a short, searchable title, set a fair price, and choose the best category and condition. In the description, include measurements, brand, any flaws, and pickup area. Add your location so local buyers can find you. If you're open to bundle deals or firm pricing, say that here. You can also choose delivery options. Local pickup is common for yard sale listings, but shipping can help you reach more buyers if it's available in your area. If you belong to local yard sale or buy and sell groups, you can select those pages to share your listing to at the same time. Pick the groups that match your area and item type, and take a quick look at each group's rules to avoid posts being removed. When everything looks good, tap Publish. Your listing will go live in Marketplace and in any selected yard sale groups. You'll get notifications when people message you. Respond promptly, agree on a safe public meetup spot, and bring only the item and change if needed. After the sale, mark the item as sold to keep your selling tab organized. That's it. You've created and published a yard sale listing on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.